If you're still using standard kitchen knives to prepare meals for your family, it's time to sharpen up. Discover Hammerstall, and you discover the art of fine cutlery, one of the secrets behind the success of every gourmet chef. The exceptional design and superior performance of Hammerstall knives just may be the missing ingredient you need to prepare cuisine that is a cut above the ordinary. These premier knives are recognized by celebrity chefs and home cooks for their stunning appearance, comfortable grip, and flawless performance. You take the time and make an effort to shop for healthy ingredients, prepare home-cooked meals, and gather your family together at the end of a busy day. Make the most of that time and effort by equipping your kitchen with the best tools to produce the most delicious results. One to Thrive offers a complete Hammerstall cutlery collection to everyone at affordable prices. These world-class German steel knives bring exceptional design to your kitchen, superior performance to your cooking, and the satisfaction of a perfect slice every time. Hammerstall and One to Thrive, a cut above the rest.